Inhale, take your hands up. Slowly Hasta Uttana. Exhale, go down. Padahastasana. Slowly take your right leg back. Ashwa Sanchalana. Left leg back. Adho Mukha. Push your body weight forward, come in a plank. Knees down, chest and chin down, Ashtanga. Scoop up, Bhujanga. Go back in Adho Mukha. Bring your right leg between your palm. Ashwa Sanchalana. Left leg together. Padahastasana. Take your hands up. Hasta Uttana. And exhale. Samasthiti. Spinal twist next. Take your hands up. Hasta Uttana. Exhale. Go down. Padahastasana. Take your right leg back. Ashwa Sanchalana. Hold the dumbbell in your right hand. Take it up. Spinal twist. Slowly take your hands down. Take your leg back in Adho Mukha. Push your body weight forward, come in a plank. Knees down, chest and chin down, Ashtanga. Scoop up, Bhujanga. Go back in Adho Mukha. Stay there. Bring your right leg between your palm. Ashwa Sanchalana, hold the dumbbell in your left hand. Slowly take it up. Take your hands down. Take your leg forward in a Padahastasana. Take your hands up, Hasta Uttana, and exhale, Samasthiti. So left side, inhale, take your hands up, Hasta Uttana, exhale, go down, Padahastasana, take your left leg back, Ashwa Sanchalana, hold the dumbbell in your left hand. Take it up, slowly down, take your leg back in Adho Mukha, push your body weight forward, come in a plank. Knees down, chest and chin down, Ashtanga. Scoop up, Bhujanga. Go back in Adho Mukha. Bring your left leg between your palm. Ashwa Sanchalana, hold the dumbbell in your right hand. Take your hands up, slowly down. Take your leg together, Padahastasana. Take your hands up, Hasta Uttana, and exhale, Samasthiti. Down.